Our new adventure will start as soon as we finish packing this house up and storing it away. Then we hop in the RV and head maybe your way. Well, 20 years in that house, and we're getting out of here. This here little trailer I bought, it's only 6 by 12. This is going to hold my motorcycle, all my camping gear, and quite a few tools. I found out it holds more than I thought. I'm not going to put the bike in there right now. It's too early in the season, but I got all the camping gear in it already, and everything fits, and I'm a lot of room. I'm surprised how much room I got. That's what's going to go in that trailer. So then we got a longer trailer. I'll show you that shortly, and that's going to hold all of our furniture. So small steps, we'll get there. Been packing for quite a few years, getting rid of stuff. Matter of fact, let me go show you my scrap iron trailer. Well, it's starting to look a little bare in here. What I was going to do is all these tools were going to go in that last little trailer you've seen, and don't need to, because my nephew is going to take care of them for me. He's got a new house with a big shop and not very many tools, so that's what family does. They look out for each other. He's already been over here and got a lot of stuff. I think we only got probably one more pickup load, maybe with a little trailer stuff on it. So that's, I don't need to turn this other trailer into an enclosed trailer, which you've seen the videos I was going to do that. Yeah, it's going to get bright. Well, here's the enclosed trailer. Not turning that into an enclosed trailer at this time. It's still ready for it if I need to. I've extended that so I can put a wall up there and cover it if I need to. But don't need to. Well, there's all my scrap parts. Them are the same parts they were trying to sell out at Sturgis for outrageous price. These are all going to the scrapyard. That's why it's hooked up to the truck. And then my nephew will come over and hook onto this thing and drag it away, I guess. So let's head out to the scrapyard. That's all I got to say about the trailers, these two. Well, I hauled all that stuff off to the scrapyard. Now you know there's a tariff and the price of metal's going up. Well, that isn't so when it comes to scrap metal. It's going down. Yeah, it's just American greed. It has nothing to do with tariffs.